if you get Cohen to spin in circles with the laser light, Henry starts spinning in circles too. Cohen, get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Is that what Cohen's doing, Henry? Whoa! They fell down. Oh, silly kid. Are you silly?